Okay, guys, so excuse me in advance for the clickbait title. This is, I think, my first time doing clickbait. I don't even consider myself a YouTuber, but maybe I am a YouTuber because I am on YouTube and I have a channel to which I upload videos. But I'm just doing this for fun. But I'm very close to reaching 400 subscribers, which is kind of nice, I must say. So first of all, I want to say thanks to all of you who are watching and following my videos. I'm not taking this really very seriously. I'm not an aspiring YouTuber. I'm not trying to, become big and sell you my watch straps or my watch brand or I don't know, my watch rolls. So anyway, I bought a new watch to mark the 400 subscribers. No, I'm kidding. Not. I bought a new watch because I'm a watch addict, and I saw it in the flesh a few days ago, and I was like, oh man. So okay, let's unveil. But you probably already understand what it is. But maybe if you don't, then ta-da! Whoop! Yeah, Omega. So let's unbox this baby. Tum tum tum. Oh my! Okay, so this you already know what watch this is because it says so on the watch roll. Okay, so I gotta say, initially this watch did not impress me as much as as I saw other people being impressed by it. And when I say impressed, I mean by the online photos, pictures online. I thought that the mesh bracelet is kind of off, and I didn't like the 14, not because it's 14, but because I don't know, just felt like. But as you know, and if you're in this hobby for a while, then you know that you can never say never. When you see a watch in the flesh, then perceptions change. And when I saw this a few days ago on the hands of a fellow watch idiot savant, then I fell for it. I mean, I don't know if you can see it through this. Through the camera here and if it's transformed, but it's really a unique watch. I think it's really unique. It's very light because it's titanium. The mesh bracelet is wow, out of this world. Very light on the hand, but the wrist, but it doesn't feel cheap. It's like light but not cheap light, if that makes sense. As you can see, it still has stickers on it. Here on the clasp and on the case back. And yeah. Why did I buy it? Well, again, because I'm a watch addict, but also because I had two Omegas that I didn't wear that much. The Omega Seamaster 300 from 2014, the one that just got a new version, and the Omega Seamaster 300M ceramic from 2015 with the clean dial, not the wave dial, not the newest iteration. I didn't wear them that much, so I saw this and a good deal came up, so I went for it. I'll be honest. I mean, I like James Bond, but it's not. I didn't buy this because of the James Bond connection. I just bought it because I like the watch, and I think it's pretty unique. I don't know. I actually didn't do a lot of research about it. I know that it's. Actually, I don't know much about it. I know that it's 42 millimeters in diameter. I even don't know the lug to lug. The The lug width is 20 millimeters, so you can put lots of straps on it. Let me check the lug to lug live as we are recording this. Lug to lug. Where is the lug to lug? Okay, you can enjoy the. Oh, it's 49 millimeters. Yeah, 49 millimeters. Okay, that's nice. So, yeah, let's see the loom. Wait. Ah, the bezel is loomed as well. The bezel insert. That's nice. You see? Things that I didn't know about the watch, I'm learning as I'm recording this video. Oh, it's kind of bluish. And the minute hand is green, as is in other Omega watches. Also the loom peep. Okay, that's nice, nice. Okay, so you open the strap like this. And then you insert it here. Just a sec. And then you can find the best size for you. I found that the third one is the best for me. Let's see, just a sec. This is the third one. And then you click it into place. Nice click. And voila! There you have the watch on the bracelet. Ready for wearing. You can open it. You open it like this. So let's see the wrist chart. Yeah. Oh yeah. Her Majesty 007. Blah blah blah. Really, I mean, I like James Bond. I like the the movie with Sean Connery, and but really, I just like how this watch looks. I'm not into the ooh, I'm a secret agent. Boom boom. Cold War. Kill the Soviets. Yeah. So I'm gonna spend some time with this and probably do another video about it. I actually have too many new watches that I have to do videos about. So if you follow my channel enough and you feel that you would like to see a video about another watch or this one, then let me know and I will perhaps maybe I will do a video about it. Before I close this video, just look at this this dome crystal, sapphire crystal. Oh my god. And the applied indices, damn, it's one hot watch. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.